Car wash with ShineTecs. Paintwork protection with repair effect. This is how ShineTecs repair effect works. Paintwork of a new car has a smooth surface. The light can be reflected to a maximum. The car shines. The surface of the paintwork develops microscopically small depressions, scratches, over time in everyday use. The reflectivity of the paint diminishes, and therefore also the shine. ShineTecs fills these depressions. The colourless acrylionic protective coat hardens within a few hours and remains on the paintwork permanently. Repeated treatment enhances the ShineTecs effect. The protective coat becomes stronger with every further wash. The car paintwork shines again. ShineTecs